Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone 7 is charged and on a recent iOS so features behave predictably. Once ready, open Settings and tap Accessibility. This is where touch controls live. Make sure you locate the touch entry under Accessibility, tap it immediately. You're beginning the actual setup now, don't get distracted by other options. This step gets you into the menu where you enable a virtual home and control how it responds to taps and presses. Once in touch settings, tap Assistive Touch and toggle it on. You'll see a floating button appear over your screen. Make sure to tap Customize Top-Level Menu. This lets you replace an icon with Home. Select an icon slot, choose Home, and then Save. Now a single tap can act like the physical Home button. You can drag the floating button anywhere. This customization is how you replicate the iPhone 7 Home functionality on screen. With Home assigned, test a single tap to return to the home screen and a long press if you configured Siri or other actions. Make sure it behaves as expected. If it feels too visible, reduce idle opacity and Assistive Touch to fade the button when idle. If the on-screen Home is unresponsive, restart your iPhone first, then toggle Assistive Touch off and on. This clears minor glitches. If problems persist, update iOS or restore settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.